In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change colors in Elementor. Whether you're adjusting the shade of a headline, tweaking a button, or giving an entire section a fresh background, the process is the same and only takes a moment. First, open your page in Elementor. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page you want to edit and launch the Elementor editor so you can see your layout on the canvas and the settings panel on the left. This is where all your visual controls live and where the color changes will happen. Next, click the element you want to style. This could be a text widget, a button, a column, or even a full section. You'll know it's selected when a blue outline appears around it and its controls load in the left panel. Selecting the right element is key because Elementor shows context-specific options based on what you've clicked. With the element selected, switch to the Style tab. You'll find it near the top of the panel, beside the Content and Advanced tabs. The Style tab is where visual options live, like typography, colors, backgrounds, borders, and more, and it's the place you'll use for color changes. Think of it as your design control center. Now, look for the specific color control. Depending on what you clicked, it might be labeled color, text color, or background color. For paragraphs and headings, text color is the one you want. For buttons and sections, you'll usually see both a text or typography color and a background color. If you're working on a whole section or column, background color affects the area behind any content, which is great for creating contrast or highlighting a block. Open the color picker and choose the shade you want, or paste a hex code if you have a precise brand color, for example, SHF00. The preview updates instantly on the canvas so you can see exactly how it looks before saving. If your design needs transparency, use the slider beneath the color field to adjust opacity. And if you're matching existing elements, keeping a note of your hex codes helps maintain consistency across the page. When you're happy with the result, click Update. The Update button is at the bottom of the panel and saves your changes to the live page. Give the page a quick glance to confirm everything looks balanced and readable. High contrast between text and background is key for accessibility and a professional finish. That's it. You opened your page in Elementor, selected the element, went to the Style tab, found the right color control, picked or pasted your color, and clicked Update. Use this same flow for any widget, button, or section to keep your site cohesive and on brand.